see. This is the Lovin oven. This is everything that comes inside. Here's the back of the box. It looks like it's got some food and stuff. Now we're gonna open it. So here's the oven, and this is everything that comes with it. We've got a little pizza that has numbers on it, 2 cupcakes, a piece of bread that breaks apart, an egg, and a pan, and then 2 plates, and the serving platter. And then go ahead, you guys.
Remember to wash your hands before you cook.
Flip the switch. Right, so we got numbers.
3. Medium. Medium is a great choice for baking cupcakes nice and moist.
Oh, there, you can fry an egg.
Fry an egg. Eggs taste amazing on top of anything.
And the green button do.
Let's wash our hands, gather the ingredients.
Stop! We're showing her the signs.
Put the food in the cook, and now we wait.
I want to bake a pizza.
It's done.
I think the pizza fits right here, right?
Yeah, it does.
There's a little shelf to put it on.
Oops, cupcake fell down. All right, there we go.
And then close it.
Let's see. Let's see. How long will that take to bake? Set the oven to 4. 4. That's it. Let's cook and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's ready. That smells delicious.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure these pop apart too, right?
They do. Maybe this could help.
Oh, there we go. So that's how they stop. That's how they flip apart.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Are you eating pizza?
Yeah.
Let me see you eat pizza.
And 1 cupcake for me, and 1 cake for you. Yeah.
Nice.
Where's my plate?
That's your plate.
Yeah. Thanks, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I have pizza. Would you like another slice of pizza? Yeah.
Great for pretend play. This is Scout's Build and Discover toy set, and it's got some different toys that you can put in it.
That's the thing that we have.
This is what it shows comes with it. So let's open it up. All right, so this is the toy set. It's all taken apart. Go ahead and build it back together. And then this pops down to lock it into place. And turn it around. All right, let's turn it on.
Will you help me build my house? Press my door when you're ready. Let's pick a tool. How about the green saw?
The green saw.
Right here.
Help me build a little house that keeps me warm at night. Cut the wood with the saw.
Oh, I see too. They're color coded.
Help me build a little house that keeps me
Here, move
all
it.
day.
So you can see the green matches the green.
Let's play.
And the red matches the red. And the hammer matches the orange to hammer things into place.
Oh,
I
and
love
the screw.
using my tools.
The screw is the triangle
Screwdriver.
This one. How about
this?
orange hammer?
Orange hammer.
Orange
Oh
hammer.
yes, and then it
Can I
has
have
the
the orange
ruler.
hammer, please?
You can count with the ruler. Very
The
cool.
hammer, please.
You can see there's numbers.
Adelia, can I see the hammer, please? I'll give you the saw.
Let's hammer the orange nails.
Hammer the nails
1,
with the hammer. Get the orange hammer.
3.
There
All
you
done.
go.
Thank you. How many windows does my house have?
Where's that? Where is?
1, 2. There are 2 windows. Good counting. The
Right.
wrench.
Tighten with the red wrench.
How many walls does my house have to put on? Let's pick a tool. How about
Oh, it'll work.
anything you choose with a
Yeah, it won't
screwdriver
work.
It spins. And as it spins, it goes into the house. Same thing with the screwdrivers. So if you use the tools,
with the screwdriver, help it stand upright. Help me build a little house that keeps me cool all day.
right, and then the hammer will push in the nail.
Come on, let's play.
Can't see it when you put your hand there. Cool.